Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable always on display in Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. For turn on the always on display, first of all, you have to go to settings and then scroll so that we have an option of a lock screen and AOD. By the way guys, AOD means always on display. Here we have an option of a always on display. So just tap here and then enable the toggle. After that, click here and as you guys see, always on display is now enabled. Just tap on the when to show option. Guys, by the way, it's set to tap to show if we tap on the screen so that the always on display is enabled. And we can also set it for the schedule, and if you select for new notifications so that if any notification comes to your device, so always on display appear. Now just go back, turn off the screen. Okay, if I tap on the screen, so that always on display is now enabled. So that's how guys we can enable always on display in Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. That's it about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.